Hello everyone, I'm Henry. Today I want to share with you that the G7 has agreed on a global minimum tax rate of 15%. How does this relate to you? Actually, we can summarize the following points. The first point is many countries have spent a lot of money on pandemic prevention and economic preservation. The second point is that all G7 countries have high tax rates, so they don't want other places to attract companies to invest there by using low tax rates. Finally, as e-commerce becomes increasingly popular, in the past, if a company wanted to do B2C business in a certain place, it had to set up an office or store there. However, many things can now be done remotely online. If traditional taxation methods are used, places with high tax rates will suffer more and more. Speaking of this, I would like to introduce a very famous term in international taxation to everyone, which is BEPS. Base erosion means that a profit is not taxed anywhere. And now the International Tax Convention is that every profit must be taxed in one place. First, many people used to set up companies in places like the BVI and Cayman Islands to avoid paying taxes. However, these tax planning strategies have become ineffective since the Economic Substance Law was enacted 2 years ago. The second is the offshore application that Hong Kong is very familiar with. If a Hong Kong company basically does not operate in Hong Kong, it can apply to the Hong Kong Inland Revenue Department for an exemption from paying taxes in Hong Kong. However, these companies sometimes do not pay taxes in the locations where they actually operate, so in effect no taxes are paid anywhere. Profit shifting means unreasonably transferring your profits from high tax areas to low tax areas. The reason the G7 introduced a minimum tax rate of 15% is, to some extent, to prevent other places from using low tax rates to attract companies to shift their profits there. At the same time, the G7 has already agreed to proceed with BEPS 2.0. In summary, BEPS 2.0 is about high-tax regions feeling that too much profit has historically gone to low-tax regions, so they are devising ways to redirect these profits back to high-tax regions. If you have large fund investors, you have already become a part of them. The new tax regulations will affect you. If you want to do an IPO or SPAC, the regulators certainly won't let you off the hook. If you are interested in tax knowledge, do follow my channel. Goodbye.